Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Cheri. I'm Cheri, your host, and I'm so happy you're here today.
And I'm Nick, your co-host, your language buddy, and honestly, your biggest cheerleader. Whether you're listening on your morning commute, during lunch, or, okay, let's be real, maybe you're listening in bed right now.
Oh, if you are in bed right now, well, today's topic is perfect for you because today, Nick and I are talking about a very, very relatable situation.
Oversleeping. We are talking about what to say, what to do, and how to survive the morning when your alarm did not do its job.
That's right. I overslept. Have you ever said those words? Maybe you overslept for school, for work, or for a very important meeting. It happens to everyone.
It absolutely happens to everyone. It happened to me just last week, actually.
Wait, really? Tell us what happened, Nick.
Okay, so I set my alarm for 7 in the morning. 7 o'clock. That's early, right? But then, I don't know what happened, I just kept sleeping and sleeping. And the next time I opened my eyes, it was 9:30.
9:30? Oh no.
9:30? I had a meeting at 9. I jumped out of bed, I didn't even eat breakfast. I just grabbed my bag and ran out the door. It was a disaster.
Oh, that sounds so stressful. And you know what? I think a lot of our listeners can relate to that. Though today, we are going to help you with all the words and phrases you need for exactly that kind of morning.
Yes, by the end of this episode, you will know how to say what happened, how to apologize, how to make excuses, and how to talk about your morning routine in everyday English. A1 and A2 level. Nice and clear.
All right, let's start with the key word today. The word is overslept. This is the past tense of oversleep. Say it with me. I overslept.
I overslept. It means you slept more than you planned. You slept too long. Your alarm went off, or maybe it didn't, and you just kept sleeping.
So the base form of the verb is to oversleep. And in the past tense, we say overslept. Just like sleep becomes slept, oversleep becomes overslept.
It's a compound verb, right? Over plus sleep. And over here means too much, more than normal. So oversleep literally means to sleep too much.
Now let's look at some other words and phrases we use when talking about sleeping and waking up late. Nick, what's the first one?
Okay, the first phrase is to set an alarm. You set an alarm. That means you choose a time and you tell your phone or your clock, wake me up at this time. For example, I set my alarm for 7 o'clock.
Good. And the next one is my alarm went off. This is really important. My alarm went off means your alarm made its sound. It rang, it beeped, it did its job. For example, my alarm went off at 7, but I didn't wake up.
And sometimes the opposite happens. Sometimes your alarm does not go off. So you say, my alarm didn't go off. That's a very common excuse, by the way.
Is it an excuse you have used, Nick?
I may have used it once or twice. Moving on. The next phrase is to hit the snooze button. When your alarm goes off in the morning, there's a button you can press and the alarm stops, but only for a few minutes. Then it rings again. So hitting the snooze button means sleeping just a little bit more, and then a little more, and then a lot more.
Very relatable, Nick. Okay, so we have 3 key phrases so far. 1, to set an alarm. 2, my alarm went off, or my alarm didn't go off. And 3, to hit the snooze button. Let's keep going.
The next phrase is to wake up. Simple, right? I woke up at 9, or I couldn't wake up this morning. This is the moment when you open your eyes and stop sleeping.
And then after you wake up, you get up. To get up means you actually leave your bed, you stand up, you start your day. For example, I woke up at 7, but I didn't get up until 8.
Oh, that is so real. Waking up and getting up are very different things.
Very different. And there's one more important phrase. I'm running late. Nick, can you explain that one?
I'm running late means you are going to arrive somewhere after the expected time. You're not on time. Maybe you overslept, maybe the traffic is bad, whatever the reason, you tell someone, sorry, I'm running late.
It's a very natural thing to say in English. People say it on the phone, in a text message. Hey, sorry, I'm running late. I'll be there in 10 minutes.
Now, let's put all these words together and listen to a short conversation. Imagine it's a Monday morning and someone is calling their friend because they are very, very late.
I will be Anna, and Nick, you can be Jake.
I love being Jake. Let's go.
Hello? Jake? Where are you? Everyone is waiting for you at the office.
Anna, I'm so sorry. I overslept. My alarm didn't go off this morning. I just woke up 10 minutes ago.
Oh no, what time did you wake up?
9:20. I know. I'm getting ready right now. I'm running late, but I'll be there soon. Maybe 30 minutes?
Okay, just hurry. The meeting starts at 10.
I know. I'm so sorry, Anna. I'll be there, I promise.
End of dialogue. Did you hear all those phrases? I overslept, my alarm didn't go off, I'm running late. They all came up very naturally in that conversation.
And Jake apologized right away. He said, I'm so sorry. When you are late, it's really important to apologize first, before you explain, before you make excuses. Apologize first.
In English and in most cultures, the apology comes first. You say, I'm so sorry, and then you explain what happened.
Let's talk about apology phrases for a moment. When you oversleep, you often need to apologize to someone, and there are different ways to say sorry in English depending on how serious the situation is.
The most simple one is just sorry, one word. But that can sound a little casual. For a more serious situation, I'm sorry. And if you really, really mean it, I'm so sorry, or I'm really sorry.
And you can add a reason after your apology. I'm so sorry I'm late. I overslept. Or, I apologize for being late. My alarm didn't go off. I apologize is a little more formal, by the way. You might use it more at work or in school.
And what do you say when someone apologizes to you? In English, you might say, it's okay, or don't worry about it, or no problem. And a really friendly one, it happens. That means this is normal. Everyone does it sometimes.
Now, let's talk about morning routine vocabulary. On a normal day, when you don't oversleep, what do you do in the morning?
First, you wake up. Then you get up. Then you wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, you get dressed, you have breakfast, and then you leave the house.
That's the ideal morning, but when you oversleep, you might skip some of those steps. To skip something means to not do it. You miss it because you don't have time. So, I skipped breakfast means I didn't eat breakfast.
And then there's to get ready, a really useful phrase. It means to do everything you need to do before leaving the house. I got ready in 5 minutes, or I got ready as fast as I could.
And to head out, that means to leave your house and start going somewhere. I headed out as soon as I got dressed. Very natural, very everyday.
Now let's talk about excuses, because when you oversleep, you need to explain what happened, and there are some very natural ways to do this in English.
The most common excuse is, my alarm didn't go off. We know that one. But there's also, I forgot to set my alarm. That means you simply didn't do it. You forgot.
Or, I was so tired last night. You're saying, I was very, very tired, so it was hard to wake up.
And then there's, I kept hitting the snooze button. You woke up when your alarm rang, but you just pressed snooze again, and then you fell back asleep.
I fell back asleep. That's another great phrase. It means you woke up for a moment, but then you went back to sleep, and woke up much, much later.
And I had a long night. This means you didn't sleep well, or you went to bed very late. So in the morning, it was really hard to get up.
Okay, now let's do a little practice together. I'm going to give you a situation, and you think about what you would say in English. Ready?
Ready, let's do it.
Situation 1. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. You just woke up. Your class starts at 8:30. You live 20 minutes away from school. What do? What do you say?
Okay, so first you panic a little. That's normal. But then you quickly get up, get ready, and you send your teacher a message. You might say, good morning, I'm so sorry, I overslept. I'm on my way. I'll be there soon. Short, clear, and polite.
That's perfect. Short message, apologize first, explain briefly, and I'm on my way is a great phrase to remember. It means I have left my house and I am coming to you right now.
Situation 2. You have a job interview at 10 in the morning. You wake up and it's already 10:15. Oh no, what do you do?
This one is more serious. You need to call the company right away. You might say, "Hello, this is, and I have an interview scheduled for 10 o'clock today. I'm so sorry, I'm running late. I apologize for the inconvenience. Is it still possible to meet today?" Very formal, very polite.
I apologize for the inconvenience. Oh, that's a good one. It means, I'm sorry this is causing you a problem. You use it when your mistake affects someone else's time or plans.
And the most important thing in both situations is to communicate. Don't just disappear. Don't ignore it. Send a message, make a call. People appreciate honesty, and they appreciate it when you reach out quickly. Let's do one more short dialogue. This time, it's a student talking to their teacher, a more formal situation. Nick, you be the student.
Excuse me, Miss Park? I'm so sorry I'm late.
Class started 20 minutes ago. What happened?
I apologize. I overslept this morning. I had a long night and my alarm didn't go off. I got here as fast as I could.
All right, please sit down and try not to let it happen again.
Of course. Thank you, Miss Park. I'm really sorry.
End of dialogue 2. Did you notice the difference? The student used more formal language. I apologize instead of just I'm so sorry. The explanation was calm and clear.
And the teacher said, try not to let it happen again. That's a really natural phrase. It means, please don't do this in the future. It's a polite warning, firm but not harsh.
Before we finish, let's share a few quick tips to help you not oversleep. And we'll learn some useful English phrases along the way too.
Tip 1. Set multiple alarms. Don't set just one, set 2, 3, 4, as many as you need, every 5 minutes if you have to.
Tip 2. Put your phone across the room. Don't leave your phone next to your bed. Put it far away. So when the alarm rings, you have to get up to turn it off. And once you're up, you're up.
Tip 3. Go to bed earlier. I know, it sounds obvious. But if you need to wake up at 6 and you go to bed at midnight every night, that's only 6 hours of sleep. Most adults need 7 to 9 hours. Try to go to bed at a reasonable time.
Your body will thank you, Nick.
I know. I really need to follow my own advice.
All right, let's do a quick final recap of everything we covered today.
Key vocabulary: to oversleep, to set an alarm, my alarm went off, my alarm didn't go off, to hit the snooze button, to wake up, to get up, to fall back asleep, and to run late.
Morning routine phrases: wake up, get up, wash your face, brush your teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, and leave the house. Or skip some of that and just run out the door.
Apology phrases: I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, I apologize. And responses: it's okay, no problem, don't worry about it, it happens.
And we practiced all of this in 2 real dialogues, one casual with a friend and one formal with a teacher. Great work today, everyone.
That's a wrap for today's episode of English with Cheri. Thank you so much for listening. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with a friend who is learning English, or maybe a friend who also oversleeps a lot.
If you have questions or want to practice, reach out to us. We love hearing from you. Keep practicing your English every single day, even just a little bit. Every day counts.
And remember, even if you oversleep tomorrow morning, at least you'll know exactly what to say. See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. And please, set your alarms tonight.